Geography, Chapter 3, India Climate. India has tropical monsoon type of climate. This is because a greater part of India lies in the tropical zone and its climate is greater influenced by the monsoon winds. The main factors which influence on the climate of India are location, water bodies, relief features and monsoon winds. So, the climate of India varies from one region to another and from season to season. The climatic seasons of India. The climate of India can be divided into four seasons: the winter season, the summer season, the rainy season, and the retreating monsoon season. First one, the winter season. During this season, the sun's rays fall vertically over the southern hemisphere. India gets oblique rays of the sun. Hence, the temperature and humidity are low and the sky is clear. It is cool in the north and warm in the south. January is the coldest month. Dras near Kargil has recorded the lowest temperature. There is heavy snowfall in the mountain areas. India gets only 2% of its annual rainfall during winter. Second one, the summer season. During this season, the sun's rays fall vertically over the northern hemisphere. Hence, the temperature is high in India. It is hot, dry, and sultry. The highest recorded temperature is 49.4 degrees Celsius at Ganganagar in Rajasthan. Conventional rain occurs locally in some parts of the country. It is known as Andis in Uttar Pradesh, Kala Baisakis in the West Bengal, mango showers in Kerala, and coffee blossom in Karnataka. India receives only 10% of its annual rainfall during summer. Third one, the rainy season. It is also known as the southwest monsoon season. About 75% of the rainfall occurs during this season. There are two branches of the southwest monsoons, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. The Arabian Sea branch strikes the Western Ghats and causes heavy rainfall to the western side of the Western Ghats. The rainfall decreases towards the eastern slopes of Western Ghats as it lies in the rain shadow area. The Bay of Bengal branch causes heavy rainfall when it strikes against the hills of Meghalaya and Assam. The heaviest rainfall occurs at Mausiram in Meghalaya. The rainfall decreases towards the northwest. Fourth one, the retreating monsoon season. In early October, due to decrease of temperature, low pressure area is gradually replaced by high pressure over the land mass. A low pressure area is developed over the Bay of Bengal. As a result, the southwest monsoon starts retreating and start blowing from the northeast towards the sea. Hence, this season is also known as northeast monsoon season. India receives only 30% of its annual rainfalling during this season. The coast of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha get rainfall during this season. Tropical cyclones frequently occur in the Bay of Bengal during this season and cause some damage along east coast. Distribution of rainfall. On the basis of the amount of rainfall in India can be divided into three broad zones. They are areas with low rainfall, areas with moderate rainfall, areas with heavy rainfall. Areas with low rainfall. It includes Western Kutch. Royali in the Jaisalmer of Rajasthan receives least amount of rainfall and is the driest place in India.